Hello, welcome to superCoolclues, the home of variable computer and smartphone superCoolclues. These clues are actually tips and step-by-step instructions together with tutorials and how-tos on how to use computer applications and smartphone apps and the related gadgets. superCoolclues. 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 superCoolclues are actually mainly Windows desktop applications together with smartphone apps, mainly about the most common applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, HTML, JavaScript, WhatsApp, YouTube, Paint, Firefox, Chrome, Zoom, Facebook, and much more. Why is superCoolclues? superCoolclues is there to provide valuable computer tips and smartphone clues to help people utilize their resources and time very well instead of having to look for expensive support. It's also supposed to demonstrate the doability or best practice of using this channel. The channel also provides an inspiring case study and model on anybody willing to venture into such a channel maintenance. superCoolclues is also supposed to help utilize 24 hours. Did you know that each of us is given 24 hours every day? When the day ends, it's given another 24 hours. How you utilize these 24 hours will determine your success and your lifestyle. Do you know some people are able to use these 24 hours and earn something as many as $5 per second, whereas others actually earn $5 per hour. The last objective of this channel is to ensure that it can be sustainable, and this could involve, or actually involves, making some money. What are the video contents? What are the videos that are expected to be on this channel? This channel will have the variable clues, as already mentioned, but it also have videos about ongoing projects and also videos about completed projects, and also videos about coming next videos. These are videos in the pipeline. There'll be a video evaluating the objectives and also a timeline to show the progress of the channel since inception. superCoolclues channel was created by me and is maintained by me, Charles Matovu. I am an IT professional from Uganda. I'm a Ugandan and have been using IT for some time now. Actually, I started using IT in 1988, mainly training users and supporting users in usage of computers. I also did a lot of systems analysis and also created some desktop computer applications and web applications. I was also involved in creating and maintaining websites and also developing smartphone apps, mainly Android. I was also been involved in systems and database administration and ICT consultancy. I've done that in several organizations, mainly in Uganda. I worked with an organization called NCR Limited. This is the original Uganda branch of the global NCR Corporation. I also worked with Rank Consult Uganda Limited, one of the pioneer IT companies in Uganda that was involved mainly in training, consultancy, and sales of computers. So worked with the Uganda Investment Authority, the Foreign Direct Investment Promotion Agency in Uganda. Here I administered the local area network and also administered the investor database. Also involved with an organization called the National Social Security Fund, the NSSF. This is the premier private sector social security organization in Uganda. I've also done consultancy for several other organizations, both in the private sector and the government in Uganda, and on various projects. My formal education includes 7 years of primary education, which I attended in rural Uganda in several schools, most of which did not have cement floors. They had cow dung smeared floors, and we used to attend school without shoes. We would be bare feet. And actually in my last year of those 7 years, I had to walk to a school every day of about 3 kilometers from home, every day to school and back. I attended my secondary school of 6 years in Tare School, a prestigious school in Uganda, which is patronized mainly by the allied politicians and their children in Uganda. For university, I attended Makerere University, where I graduated with a Bachelor of Science with education degree, majoring in mathematics and economics. I also attended Makerere University and obtained a postgraduate diploma in computer science. And finally, I got an MBA, a Master's of Business Administration, from Rotterdam School of Management, Erasmus University in the Netherlands. For you to continue knowing what is happening on this channel, you need to subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, 0 coins. You don't have to pay anything. You pay $0, 0 yuan, 0 euros, 0 pounds, 0 yen, 0 naira, and 0 Uganda shillings. Thank you very much for visiting this channel. Please keep coming again and watching as more videos come on board. Thank you very much.